I like want to tell you guys stuff, but I can't. Oh, I can't wait for Halloween. Halloween is going to be bomb. I just went to open up this package and I'm like, what the hell is this? Because I don't remember ordering anything else besides my Amazon order. But it's clothes. Oh! So I got a bunch of shirts and I spoiled myself. So, yeah! I'm so excited they finally came in. And here's the one that I'm wearing right now. I just thought it'd be really cute. Like sleep top. And I love pink and this is like super adorable, right? I'm just letting my camera charge right now because I'm in the middle of filming a tutorial. And I cannot wait to post this tutorial and all the ones that I have coming up. I have a huge plans for Halloween. And I'm not going to disclose anything because it's going to be a surprise. So I could show you guys too much. But yeah, so I'm waiting for my camera to charge and then I can start filming more. So I like want to tell you guys stuff, but I can't. Oh, I can't wait for Halloween. Halloween is going to be bomb. So excited. Hi, buddy. You excited about my Halloween tutorials? Whenever I get the camera out, he always tries to awkwardly go really close to it and he doesn't stay where he is. What are you doing? Mikey's really into the backdrops too, so. Huh, bud? You like to climb them. He hasn't done that in forever though, so that's good. So I filmed everything. I imported everything onto my computer. I'm just not feeling well from the stupid antibiotic. Especially after I ate lunch. But I want to film more. I want to do things. I don't want to like just sit in here and people are out by the pool. I'm not going by the pool. Like I'm just too sick for that, but I don't know. I've been thinking about, you know, do I want a nap? Do I want to... I just slept so much last night, though. I went to bed at 8, and I got up at 7:30. I almost got, like, a full 12 hours of sleep. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I kind of want to film more. But then I'd have to, like, redo my makeup. Because I'm on my dead look going on right now for Halloween. I don't know. Still trying to clean up this room though because it was a mess. I was having to moving I don't have the proper storage in here just because of how the move went and you know, I'm possibly going to be moving out and who knows when I'm going to be moving out. I can move out in a month, I can move out in 3 months, I can move out at the end of the lease. I don't know when I'm going to be moving out, so I'm not trying to buy any furniture to store more of my stuff. So I've kind of found some creative ways that I'll show you guys about how to store stuff with cheap options. Yeah, so I don't know. So I'm gonna clean up because even if I have to film, I have to clean up this place and maybe I'll film my health issues because if I look like I feel like shit, then it's perfect for that, right? I don't know. Because, I mean, I don't feel good on a regular basis, but, like, the antibiotics are really making it hard. This particular one. The first one, fine. Hopefully the next one will be fine. This one, oh. Oh, I just feel so sick. But I don't want, like, I'm going to be sick anyway, so I might as well just try to enjoy my day. And I don't think I can nap. I don't feel that tired. Like, I got so much sleep last night, I don't know if I could even nap. You know, I don't want to ruin, like, me being able to fall asleep tonight, so yeah. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, and I guess I'll tell you guys what I do later. I've been cleaning this room up, but I'm just letting Michael sleep there with the tripod, so I'm gonna move the tripod last. He's so silly. I just filmed this makeup tutorial, which I also was using the Gemini Beauty brush set. So if you guys want to go check that out, I will link that makeup tutorial down below, as well as my video where I kind of go over my first impressions of, you know, me. No, I can't talk. Retake. So pretty much in that video, it's just like me hauling the brushes, so just like feeling them out and stuff, but I try them on for the first time in the makeup tutorial. So yeah, so I just got done filming that, taking the pictures for it, the close-ups and whatnot, but then I have to film a video for Beauty Vlogger 101, so I have to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do because I don't know now. Okay, I think I'm done filming for today. I feel like I'm so spacey because of these antibiotics. Like, I cannot think straight. But yeah, so I filmed a makeup tutorial for Beauty Addict Next Door, and then 2 videos for Beauty Vlogger 101. And then maybe later, after I've like rested a little bit, I might do something for the Beauty Addict Diaries. We'll have to see. I don't know. Because I do have stuff filmed for the Beauty Addict Diaries already. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. So it doesn't look like Michael's in here, but he keeps opening up the door and climbing in. Buddy, are you in there? I just filmed an episode of My Health Issues. I actually ended up refilming it for like the 3rd time because all of my videos moving forward, I just want it to be them to be fresh and me single, and you know, I don't want to backtrack to the stuff that was in the past. So I refilmed it, and I was going to film another one, but I have 2 videos I want to get up today. So one on Beauty Addict Next Door, one Beauty Vlogger 101. So yeah, I don't want to push myself too much just because of these antibiotics that I'm on. I slept for like a couple hours though, so that's why I filmed another one. I was like, okay, well I got some rest. I slept for a couple hours. I got so I can film another one, and then now I'm just gonna edit and like eat and stuff. So, oh my god, I never felt so freaking weird. I hate this medication. But yeah. Oh, look at my buddy. Here's Michael. Hi, bud. What are you doing? Wanna hop up? Hi. So silly. So silly. Anyway, so I am going to, I think I need to post something on Instagram, and then I'll edit and eat and stuff, so. Yeah. Maybe put some stuff on Poshmark because I need to sell my stuff. I'm so sick of seeing this non-cruelty-free stuff. I just want it out of my site. And I want to be able to write the check to Animal Rescue League. Because if you guys don't know that, on my Beauty Addict Next Door channel, I have gone vegan with my beauty channel. So I'm selling stuff, and all the money that I make off of Poshmark, like selling stuff, 100% of the proceeds are going to the Animal Rescue League. Because you know, that's just what I decided to do. So someone else can use it without me having to use it. It's not wasted, and I can give the money to a cause. So. Excuse me, Jesus, I'm sorry. So that was just my thoughts on that. I feel like that's, to me, the best way to handle it. There's so many ways to handle it, and people can criticize every single way, but I feel like the way that I chose is pretty hard to criticize. People have, because they don't watch the whole video. They don't even watch the introduction to bother the fact to see that I'm actually, you know, donating 100% of the proceeds to the Wildlife Center. Or the Animal Rescue League. It probably goes to, I think you only donate to the Animal Rescue League. You can go to the Wildlife Center, you can go to the, you know, the cats and the dogs and stuff. But yeah, so. And I don't know if I mentioned this in a previous vlog, so just in case you guys are wondering, I'm no longer volunteering at the Wildlife Center. It was just too much physical labor for me to do in my condition, so I stopped going there, which really sucks because they were awesome, but it was also something that I did with my ex-girlfriend, so it's kind of like I'm glad to not be doing it with her anymore because that would be really awkward. And then also just even in being in the same place and the memories there, it'd just be weird. So I kind of did my time there. Maybe I'll volunteer somewhere else in the future whenever I'm better, but for now I need to give that a rest. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go do stuff. I'm gonna get some stuff done and hopefully talk to you guys later. I ended up taking like a couple hour nap because I was just way too tired. And then I filmed another video and then had dinner and edited and stuff. So I'm uploading a video right now, and so I'm just going to finish doing that. But I just wanted to say goodnight to you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all. I'm going to say goodnight to you, Michael.